hope all of you fine. Children, in previous class, we have learnt remembering part of lesson number 15, animal homes. What did we learn in that remembering part? We have learnt about shelters of different animals. What is a shelter? Shelter means the places where the animals live in. Yes? See, we have learnt about animal homes. Cow shed. Cows live in cow shed. Dogs live in kennel. Horses live in stable. Okay? And then we have learned that birds live in different types of nests. Nests are made of twigs, grass, leaves and so on. Yes? And we have learnt some animals like rabbits, rats and all live in underground. Okay? They will make holes and burrows and live in those holes. Okay. Snakes do not build their shelters. They live in the holes and burrows made by other animals. Okay? And then we have learned that insects live in trees or soil. Okay? This is ant hill. Okay? Insects will be living in ant hills. Okay. Then this is what? Beehive. Bee lives in beehive. Understood, children? Then we have learned about different types of other homes like frogs. Frogs live on the ground or trees. Frogs live on the ground or trees. Likewise, lions live in caves and monkeys live on the trees. If you take out page number 28, okay, understanding part. All of you look into your textbook. Okay, why do animals need shelters? We have learned that different animals live in different shelters. Yes, why do animals need shelter? Okay, there are 3 points. First one, shelters protect. S-H-E-L-T-E-R-S. Shelters protect. P-R-O-T-E-C-T. Protect them from the harsh weather. H-A-R-S-H. Harsh. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. Harsh weather. Shelters protect animals from the rain, wind, hot sun and very cold weather. Next, second one. Shelter protect them from their enemies. E-N-E-M-I-E-S. Enemies. Okay. They help them to hide. H-I-D-E. H-I-D-E. Hide. Hide from the animals who eat them. Okay. Shelters protect them from their enemies. Means what? Whatever shelter they will be living in, they will protect these animals from their enemies. Enemies means what? The other animals will be eating these animals. So the other animals are called to be as enemies. Okay. They help them to hide from the animals who eat them. Okay. Shelters also protect the young ones. Y-O-U-N-G. Young, O-N-E-S ones. Shelters also protect the young ones from their enemies. Okay. Next one. Some animals like birds need shelters to lay eggs and feed their young ones. Okay. F-E-E-D. Feed their. T-H-E-I-R. Their young ones. Y-O-U-N-G-M-O-N-E-S. Some animals like birds need shelter to lay eggs and feed their young ones. There are many animals. Which eat the eggs of birds. There are many animals which eat the eggs of the birds. Okay, so birds need a safe place to lay their eggs. Understood, children? Third point, some animals like birds need shelters to lay eggs and feed their young ones. Okay. Next one, application part. Okay. You have learned about the shelters of wild animals. Yes. You have learned about the shelters of wild animals. They are their natural homes. They are their natural homes. Natural, natural homes. But sometimes, SOMETIMES, sometimes we see wild animals like the lion, tiger, elephant and monkey in a zoo. Yes, children, have you ever gone to zoo, children? I think you have gone to zoo. And I think you have all seen different animals there. Yes or no? Elephant, giraffe, snakes. Yes or no, children? Okay, these and all. Some animals are kept in the zoo. Okay? Zoos are man-made shelters. Zoos are the man-made shelters of these animals. We build, B-U-I-L-D, we build them in the zoos. Animals get food and are safe from their animals. Okay, man-made zoos. In man-made zoo, we feed the animals. Okay, animals get food and they are safe from their enemies. Because all the time people will be looking after these animals which are kept in the zoo. That means they are getting protection from their enemies. Understood? But they are not free. We are keeping in zoo, but they are not free. Okay. They are kept in cages. They are kept in cages. Okay. Next. Some forest areas are protected, PROTECTED, protected as national parks, NATIONAL, national, PARKS, parks, national parks, to save the animals and their natural shelters. Okay, there the animals can live freely. The animals can live freely. Cutting trees or killing animals in these areas is against, AGAINST, against the law. Okay, did you understand? Some forest areas are protected as national parks. Okay, to save the animals and their natural shelters. Okay, like this. These are natural shelters, means national parks. These are the national parks where they are left like that. Where they have left the animals in the national park. Okay. See, that is natural. Naturally they are living there. Okay. They are kept free. They can roam here and there. They are not kept in cages there. Okay. There the animals can live freely. Cutting trees or killing animals in those areas is against the law. Is against the law. Understood? Amazing fact. Jim Corbett National Park. What's the name of the national park? Jim Corbett. J-I-M, Jim. C-O-R-B-E-T-T. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India. It was set up in 1936. This national park was set up in 1936 to protect the endangered, E-N-D-A-N-G-E-R-E-D, endangered Bengal tiger. Okay, see, this is Bengal tiger. Okay, Jim Corbett National Park. Okay, Next, higher order thinking skills. The shelters of animals do not give enough protection. ENOUGH. Enough protection. PROTECTION. Protection from extreme. EXTREME. Extreme hot. HOT. Hot or cold climate. COLD. Cold. CLIMATE. Climate. What do animals do on such days when it is so hot or when it is so cold? What do animals do on such days? Okay, let us see. Some animals travel to travel to warm places to escape escape the extremely cold, means much cold, EXTREMENY, extremely cold climate. For example, birds fly to faraway places to escape from the cold winter. To escape from the cold winter, some birds fly to faraway places where it gets hot, warm. They will go. They fly away. Okay? From the cold winters. Okay. Some animals go into a deep sleep. Some animals go into deep sleep to escape the cold weather. Okay. And shortage of food. Shortage means what? If food is not available, that is called a shortage of. Okay. These animals go to a cave or a burrow to sleep. Where they will go to sleep? They will go to cave or burrows to sleep. Okay. In order to protect themselves from cold weather, some animals will be going to cave and burrows and have their deep sleep. Understood, children? Okay. See here, birds travel to far away places. Okay. Next, in a hot climate, some animals go for a summer sleep. In hot climate, some animals go for a summer sleep. They bury themselves. BURY. They bury themselves, means they. The animals, those who go to the deep sleep, okay, they bury themselves. THEMSELVES. Themselves in the ground to avoid the heat. They bury themselves in the ground. For example, crocodiles. CROCODILES. Crocodiles and some kind of frogs. FROGs. Some kind of frogs move underground. UNDER. Under. GROUND. Ground. Underground. Where it is cold. And more moist, means wetty. Wet weather, wet soil will be there. That is called to be moist. Watery like. Okay. Where it is cold and more moist to sleep. Okay. See. Animals go to deep winter sleep. Okay. A frog sleeping underground. Did you see, children? Take out your classworks and write down the heading animal homes. Lesson number 15, animal homes. New words, and then write down all the new words. Okay. First one is chirping. 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 Chirping means sound made by the birds. Wonder. Wondering what will happen next. That is what is called wonder. WONDERED. Wondered. Shelters. All of you know shelters, the place where animals live in. Animals or human beings. Where they live in, that is called to be as shelter. SHELTERS. Okay. Next, build. 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 Humans build homes for the animals. Okay. Twigs. TWIGS. Twigs means branches. Broken branches or broken sticks. Twigs. With twigs, birds will make their nests. Hive. HIVES. Hive. Hive means bees live in hive. caves. Lions live in caves. Zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. Some animals are protected in zoo. Okay. Next, national parks. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, national. P-A-R-K-S, national parks. Okay. Ant hills, A-N-T, ant, H-I-L-L-S, ant hills. Ant hills are the home for ants. Extremely, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y, extremely. Shortage, S-H-O-R-T-A-G-E, shortage. Okay, all of you now copy down in your note. Okay. Today your homework is read lesson number 15 textbook. Okay, you have to read full lesson in textbook. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.